Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to open Themes app. Now click on Categories over here at the bottom and select Themes section. Then tap on one of those sections, I will go with top 3, and select the best theme for you, for example that one. When you're ready, you need to click on Free Download and then choose Apply. Following that, you need to choose Enable in this kind of pop-up, then choose Discard or Keep. And now, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to, you can always go into Devices settings as well, and this time tap on Home Screen and Wallpaper. Then click on Themes section at the top and tap on one of those default ones or one of the downloaded ones. I will go with this one. Finally, tap on Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!